to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Today I'm going to be building raised beds for my blueberries. I always say if you find a man's strength, you'll find his weakness. Me, I don't write things down. When I'm in creative mode, I kind of like to make things up as I go. That's what makes gardening so personal to me. No matter where you plant the seed, it always grows towards the light. Blueberries like a soil pH between 4.5 and 5.5. So we're gonna give them the best growing conditions with 25% compost. We're gonna use cottonseed meal as our fertilizer, which is a 611. About a half a cup of soil acidifier for each bed. Once we build everything up, we're gonna top dress with some berry tone. The bulk of our growing medium is gonna be 50% sphagnum peat moss. Lastly, 25% pine bark mini nuggets.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Cutting my corrugated sheets into heights of 20 inches. They're gonna be 6 panels for each of the 4 beds. And I'm gonna be attaching everything with 1/4-inch aluminum rivets. Here, we're gonna build a trench around our blueberry bush, and we're gonna fill it with our growing medium, 50% peat moss, 25% mini pine bark nuggets, and 25% compost. Let's get into it. You have it. 4 raised beds with growing medium specific for blueberries. The rubber that you see me putting around the top, that's 1/4-inch automotive door edge protectors. If you like my content, give me the thumbs up.